Hi, I'm David Ienna from Fairmax Law. One of the biggest concerns people have about filing for bankruptcy is how it will affect their credit score. Today, we're going to talk about the impact of bankruptcy on your credit score and what you can do to rebuild it afterwards. There's no sugarcoating it. Filing for bankruptcy will have a significant impact on your credit score. It can lower your score by 200 points or more, depending on where you started. However, it's important to remember that this isn't the end of the road for your credit. A Chapter 7 bankruptcy stays on your credit report for up to 10 years, while a Chapter 13 bankruptcy remains for up to 7 years. But the good news is, as time passes, the impact on your score lessens, especially if you take steps to rebuild your credit. Here are some steps you can take to start rebuilding your credit right away. First, make sure you keep up with all your current payments, including any debts that weren't discharged in the bankruptcy. On-time payments are crucial for rebuilding your score. Second, check your credit report regularly to ensure all information is accurate. Dispute any errors you find, as they can further damage your credit score. Third, consider applying for a secured credit card. This type of card requires a cash deposit that serves as your credit limit. Use it responsibly by making small purchases and paying off the balance in full each month. This will help demonstrate to lenders that you can manage credit wisely. Rebuilding your credit after bankruptcy takes time and effort, but it's entirely possible. Many people who file for bankruptcy go on to achieve good credit scores and financial stability. At Fairmax Law, we're here to support you through the entire process, from filing to rebuilding. If you're considering bankruptcy and have questions about how it will impact your credit, contact Fairmax Law today for a free consultation. We're here to help you navigate this challenging time and build a brighter financial future.